Polyethylene glycol is a polyether compound with many applications, from industrial manufacturing to medicine. PEG is also known as polyethylene oxide or polyoxyethylene, depending on its molecular weight. The structure of PEG is commonly expressed as HNO. PEG is considered biologically inert and safe by the FDA. However, a growing body of evidence shows the existence of a detectable level of anti-PEG antibodies in approximately 72% of the population, never treated with pegylated drugs, based on plasma samples from 1990-1999. The FDA has been asked to investigate the possible effects of PEG in laxatives for children. A large and growing number of parents have reported serious or life-threatening side effects after their children were given one or more doses of PEG as an osmotic laxative. Miralax has not been tested on children. PEG is not recommended to those under 18. Due to its ubiquity in a multitude of products and the large percentage of the population with antibodies to PEG, hypersensitive reactions to PEG are an increasing concern. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.